Good morning, traders, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. So yesterday we ended up with pretty much a range bar. Not much going on there. We have had the oscillators cross over. The first one is moving quite rapidly to the downside, and the second one is just hovering here. And we're still coming up to a cross here on the zero with the stochastic MACD. And as I said, this is an indicator for me that says we are in a retracement phase of a bigger move to the downside. So that's what's happening here. We are still in this range, and we'll look at the lower time frames. But I haven't looked yet. I didn't trade the DAX yesterday, but I'm pretty sure that that reaction there is off a Fibonacci level. Okay, so let's just test that. Okay, pretty much off 73.6. DAX does like those levels, and sort of 73.6 is always an area that DAX tends to turn off as well. So you can see we were pretty much rallying. Then there was some bad news that came to the market that the antivirus has failed, and remember that was the news from last week that drove the market up, but they'd found a cure. And now they've told us, no, it's not going to work, and that's pretty much what happened. Okay, there's quite a bit of bad news as well that came through. Boeing laying off 700 people. There's a lot of little things that happened yesterday. But basically, the US market's pretty much closed where they opened. Nice big pin bars on the US markets, and we've got a range bar on the DAX. So, as far as I'm concerned, if I take this to the top of the range, which is there, you'll see 61.8 is the area we rejected. And as I said to you yesterday, any rejection off that area is going to get me short. Okay, so that has happened. We have got a move to the downside. I'm now looking for opportunities to be short with anticipation of breaking the bottom of the range. Okay, in this range, I'm just going to put two levels on the range because there's quite a bit going on here. So we're going to need to break through that zone. Okay, so what we're looking to break through is 10,227 to 10,200. So 10,200 is basically the area we're looking to break through at the moment. Okay, now looking at the hour, you can see oscillators are grouped to the downside. I wouldn't be too surprised to see it just muck around here. Maybe there's no catalyst that's going to drive us lower. But look at the crossover here. The crossover has happened, and as soon as it drops below the zero, that's also going to be a confirmation for me that we need to be looking for a move to the downside. Okay, so that's kind of my view on the DAX right now. And if we just get down to sort of a 12-minute chart, you can see what's transpired here. We had a good move up. We had a pin bar off 61.8. So if you're watching this closely, you had an opportunity here with a breakout to get long. Your first target would have been Fibonacci level. And one thing that I have realized this week is that the Fibonacci's are playing a major role in to take profit areas or opportunity to get in on trades. So pay attention to them. Okay, you can see we've dropped down, sort of hovering in the moving averages, dropped to the moving averages, came back, they crossed over, tested them again towards the close, and now that trend on the 15-minute has been defined as far as I'm concerned. Pretty volatile, as you can see, massive candles. But yeah, I think that's the story that we have at the moment. And at the same time, we have a pretty good head and shoulders here. Here's the shoulder, here's the head, here's the shoulder. So break below 10,358 gets you short. And the nice thing about that trade, if I just drop just below that and move stop up to what hopes to fractal, that's a 67-point stop loss, which is quite a nice trade for the DAX. But that's pretty much what I'll be looking at on the DAX today. We didn't trade it yesterday, but I think it's offering quite why it's a nice little setup at the moment for continuation to the downside, and a pretty big continuation as well. But anyway, guys, that's it for me today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.